So much love and support going out to Specs and Curve One for their loss, and the community is live and kicking in Tamaki Makaurau tonight, here to support and bring the goodness in the shake-ups.
Yo, here we are, Can't Stop Hip Hop fundraiser. Can't stop, won't stop.
We can't stop and we won't stop. And well, far out. Josh took this photo many 2000.
Yes, when you were living in Ariki.
And I was living just up the road this way from this spot. And it was at the time it was a very hip hop haven. And one of the young brothers tagged the stop sign on the corner.
It was tagged by the one like Slope, aka MC Slopimus, Shabay Rameka, who on one night home doing drunken hits, found a yellow crayon and tagged up the sign. So yeah, a bit of hip hop history.
There's too much history in this photo for us to describe in this 1 minute. And if you don't know, you'll never know. And that's it.
If it didn't make reserve, it was going to go to Curb and Specs to start their art collection again. So who knows? We might have to get them another print.
Yeah, we should.